Daily markup for EURUSD for Tuesday the 19th of December 2023. This is the daily chart. We've been making a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, then a lower low. So this is where the swing structure turned bearish. We are now in the pullback phase of the bearish daily swing. And for me, that pullback phase ended here. Why? Because, if you look at the internal structure, again, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then a higher high, and, higher high, higher low, higher high, and a lower low. So this was also like a change of character. If you want to consider this as the internal breakout structure, so for me, this kind of signifies the internal changing bearish, which is in line with the daily swing structure, which is bearish. So I can now look at targeting this week low. However, as we came down here, we tapped into this daily demand and got a very, very strong bullish reaction, which has so far respected this zone. And we've had 2 days which have been nothing but inside bars. So I think a period of indecision is what we're seeing in the market at the moment. And also considering that we are towards the end of the year, so price action is not going to see too much of volume, and probably we'll just kind of trickle along here and just consolidate before something really picks up, which will be in the new year. So this is where we are as far as the daily is concerned. However, my outlook is I'm still bearish because this has held so far. We reacted, but we did not take this high out. So we've now kind of consolidating over here. But I would really be favoring shorts if I had to. However, I'm going to be very cautious and really think twice before I get into any kind of a trade. Moving on to the H4, this is where we are. The H4 turned bearish for us. The swing structure is bearish, and after that, breakout structure, we can expect a pullback, and that pullback has happened, and we see a lot of bullish momentum coming in. However, it has respected this extreme end supply over here, and when price came in here, there was a very strong kind of a reaction. We've come into this zone and, we've had a bit of a reaction. Is this really a strong zone? Well, it hasn't really achieved anything, if you ask me. It hasn't broken any major structure. It does not have any inducement. It does not, it's not really swept any liquidity. So, this is, I think just a bit of a pause before price kind of plummets down. We also have this huge imbalance in price over here, or a fair value gap. And I would reckon that price is going to come down, tap into this, and then kind of react. But like I said, I'm looking at, targeting the daily swing, which is the swing low, which is right over here. And I think that's likely to fail over a period of next few days. So for me, this is a sizable leg. So I definitely think that, let me just put this nice little circle here, which is my swing low, weak swing low. And I think we can look at targeting this as far as the H4 is concerned. If we look into the H1 again, we can see, let me just shift this a little. We can see that we've reacted from here and we've come into this H4 demand, and we've had a bit of a reaction, but it doesn't really seem to be going anywhere. We're just kind of consolidating over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Indecision in the market as I look at it. Moving on to the M15, this is where we are. The M15 for me is bearish, which is in line with the H4, which is also bearish. So this is, we've had a break of structure here. We can expect a bit of a pullback. maybe we pull back a little into this zone or maybe even this zone and then continue further. But as of now, since yesterday, we've just been consolidating in this particular area here. And yeah, I would, want to see price either go here or maybe plummet down, and then kind of look at getting into any trades. But right now, this is a really messy price action for me, and I really wouldn't be interested in any trades at the moment. So yeah, let's just wait and watch and see how price action really plays out. But in general, I am favoring shorts, and I would think that price will go down further. But yeah, let's just wait and see how price action actually develops.